Welcome back to my channel and welcome to all the new subscribers. Today I'm going to show you how you can use one aloe vera plant 4 different ways. Keep watching. I'm going to start off by using 3 separate colored bowls to help you keep track of what I'm doing with each of my aloe vera, because I'm going to do something different with each one. So you start off with cutting the sides off of the aloe vera plant, and then I'm going to peel it open to expose the aloe vera gel. And then I like to use a spoon so I could scrape the aloe vera gel and the juice into each bowl. And as far as all the leaves and the trimmings, I'm going to save that and put it into a bigger bowl for later. Yes, I'm going to use this too. Other people throw it away, but I'm not throwing away no benefits this plant got to offer. The aloe vera gel from the orange bowl, I'm going to place it into a sealed bag, and then I'm going to put it in my freezer for later. I'm going to take the gel from the red bowl and the green bowl, and I'm going to combine them and put them into my blender. And I'm going to blend it until it gets this nice milky white foam texture, as you see here. Now, other people would use cheesecloth for this, but I don't have that, so I find that using a thick paper towel works just as well. And I'm just going to slowly pour a bit of the aloe vera juice into the paper towel and use the paper towel to help strain out the juice. So I want to separate the clear liquid that you see here from the foam that's in the paper towel. After I'm done straining it, I have about 1 cup of aloe vera juice for each bowl. Now I want to preserve this juice because it does take me a while to use it, and in order to do that you need vitamin C or vitamin E. So I have some vitamin E on hand, and you need at least 1,500 IUs for each 1 cup of aloe vera juice. So I have 400 IUs for 1 capsule, so I'm going to use 4 capsules for each bowl. Now you're probably asking, why are you using 2 separate bowls if you're doing the exact same thing in them? I do this because this aloe vera juice is going in 2 separate places, and since the vitamin E is an oil and the aloe vera juice is more water-based, they don't really mix well, and I want to make sure that there's enough vitamin E in each container to help preserve the amount of aloe vera juice that I have. Now I'm going to pour the red bowl into this glass sealed container, and I'm going to keep this in the refrigerator. And this aloe vera juice is going to take me the longest to use, and I'm going to use it as a hair moisturizer. I tend to keep my hair in braids and twists, so when I take my twists out and wash my hair, that's when I apply the aloe vera juice as a moisturizer to my hair, and I leave it in there. And then I also go ahead and apply my other products. Now I always have plenty of aloe vera juice left over, so I just seal it up in the jar and I put it in the refrigerator, and it stays there for a month or 2 until I retwist my hair again. The aloe vera juice from the green bowl, I'm going to mix it in my bottle of coconut oil and olive oil mixture, and this I tend to use daily. This is a great natural base moisturizer to hydrate your skin. Next, I take the aloe vera leaf and I cut it into pieces and break it down. And I also take the sides and all, the whole plant, and I put it in my blender and blend it with some water, no more than about a cup. Once I get a texture like this, kind of a smoothie look, then I pour it into an ice tray and make little ice cubes. Now at this point, you're probably thinking, what in the world is she doing? What is going on? Once these ice cubes freeze over, then I separate them and I put them into a sealed bag, and I keep them in my freezer whenever I'm ready to use them. And when it's time for me to have a foot bath, I take about 2 or 3 ice cubes and I put it into the water and let them melt, and then I have an aloe vera foot bath. Now, in case you forgot about that aloe vera gel that I put in my freezer, I didn't. I just take a little slice of that and I put it in my favorite kale veggie smoothie, and it makes a nice healthy breakfast smoothie every morning. Now, I hope you guys got some great tips from watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and ring the bell for future notifications of my other videos I put out every week. And thank you guys again for watching. That is delicious. Bye.